It's the D-Day. The D-Day is upon us. The deadline for the additional 25% tariffs, all set to be imposed on Indian goods by the United States of America, will start today. Indian imports to America will now be levied with a 50% tariff rate. Textile, shrimps, gems, leather industry, they have already started to bear the brunt of these tariffs. Asserting its right to protect the national interest and safeguard the strategic economic buying Russian oil crude, India is looking to counter the impact with high tariffs. A key meet was also chaired by Prime Minister Modi to soften the blow from these tariffs. Emphasizing India's strength, Prime Minister Modi lashed out at the economic selfish policies and assured to make sure that India is prioritizing its own interest. US President Donald Trump earlier had justified these 50% tariffs by pointing out India's purchases of oils and defense equipments from Russia.
I'm talking to a very terrific man, Modi of India. And I say, what's going on with you in Pakistan? Then I'm talking to Pakistan on trade.
मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं। मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों न आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे।
50% tariff is a big number. It will impact our exports, the dollar volume, and also it would imply back end in India, it will mean job losses in some sectors. However, India, I think, is taking a holistic view. One, the government is trying to, and the industry itself is trying to diversify and open up new export markets. That's one. Also, the country itself, there is now a push to improve our own productivity, make our goods more competitive for global standards. So it will be a mix of steps taken externally by India and internally by India to face this hardship. But yes, some sacrifices will have to be made.
I think it will maybe impact the business, but in a very temporary manner. I think both countries are still in the negotiations, in the discussions to have a win-win deal in the bilateral agreements. And I am sure that both the governments will actually, reach a very good, fruitful agreement, which is mutually beneficial for both. So maybe there is some temporary, hiccup that will come, but I think I'm sure both countries will reach to a win-win agreement.
Tariffs are obstacles to free trade, wherever they are, whether it's on the Indian side, whether it's on the European side, whether it's on the US side. So we would always be in favor of reducing tariffs to a minimum level.